I'll just eat these cheese balls for breakfast.
I know, that's what I said. Heather will eat cheese balls.
But I'll be healthy and eat some Cheerios. Oh, look at Martha.
Yeah.
She's a little blob. We see her more than we see Rogue. Where's my mask? Stupid COVID.
It's probably hot in here.
Apparently Crossy Road Co-op or whatever is a thing now. I didn't know this was a thing. She just told me. Invincible.
Not fair.
Oh, look at that.
Oh,
You died.
dang it.
Let's see, how far can I go? I swear the cars and stuff are moving faster. I haven't played this in a while, so.
Yep, I only got 29 and you got 50. The ones that have that are playing, the ones that have one.
No! Cat. Yeah, I saw that coming. And you fell in a river.
Oh,
You died as soon as it started.
so did you.
No! Darn it. Oh, I won though. Get up. Oh.
Dang it.
What? Playing Crossy Road with 2 characters. Oh wait, that one's. Aw.
Try again.
I haven't played this in so long, so it's a pain, especially playing it with 2 freaking.
Dang.
Oh. Ooh, there we go. Let's see which one's which. Okay. Get that one first. Then that one. That one.
Me cooking again. I'm just a regular chef here. Yeah.
This is actually kind of hard.
Well, you survived your summers, though.
Oops. I tapped it one too many. I wonder if it'll let me do this or if the Hulk will come eat the one. And see how long we can do it with one on my head.
Dang, did you just like jailbreak the game?
I think I just like outsmarted the system. Well, the Hawk hasn't come, so like for the other one.
It's a lot of milk.
Mm-hmm.
So I mean, it's playable. Like you can literally carry your teammate, or not teammate. You can literally carry your friend. Oh,
But it kills the top
it
one.
killed the top. We made it past 100.
Alexa, what's the weather?
No! Oh my god. Oh, it's boiling in here.
It's very wild.
We've made it. That's really pretty. Mom wants a house here, doesn't she? All you hear is the animals and bugs and things.
That way.
Look at the flowers, they're so pretty. Look at that. Look at those big purple things.
Yeah, it's cool.
What are those? They're cool looking. So pretty.
Yeah, look at them all. Look at them all. Wow. They're flying right by. Well, that's a lot. There's no insecticides or anything out here to kill them. There's nothing to them.
Wow, that is a big lake.
That's
pretty.
All the way around that way.
You can see it over there too.
Look, there's a beast.
Wow. That's really pretty.
It's a huge lake.
Yeah.
I mean,
With the mountains and stuff. This would be a nice place to have a picnic.
this would be a nice place to have a picnic. Where we just on the bike. Then that brought us around, all the way around the lake.
Alright, I'm coming. Whoa. Dang. What happened to this tree? What
We're
the
thinking
heck?
maybe it got hit by lightning.
Yeah, it had to. Oh my
Little
gosh!
butterfly.
A little green butterfly. Yeah, it had to have gotten struck by lightning. Look at all
Look
the
at
lines
inside.
down it.
It's like black and it has the lines and it has cracks on the side.
Yeah, this thing was definitely struck by lightning at one point. Look at it.
Kind of cool.
Ooh, this is steep.
Not a stuffed animal, but a thingy.
Somebody see, look.
This is pretty.
Look.
Oh, jeez.
Watch my camera. There's a frog!
I want to see frog.
Guys, I got a frog!
Frog. Whoa!
Oh my god.
Little frog. Whoa. Hey Mom, be careful of the... There's a big tree.
Tree.
I know, right?
Wow.
Look at this thing.
Wow. How far it goes up. I wonder what kind of tree that is because it's like really tall and has branches at the top.
Look at that.
We are going the right direction? Yes. Alright.
This is Pappy we're talking about, so. Pappy's hoping she can find a frog in it.
That's what I'm looking for.
Hey Mom, you got a bounce? Not too bad though. This is pretty. You're gonna break it.
Got my cross in high gear, Heather. Nothing will happen.
I've actually run this. Okay, now it's your choice. The visitor center is right over there. We can just go up this way, make a left, then come right over. Or you want to just go back and do it all over again?
No, hell no. There's water.
Oh, that's a little culvert.
What is a culvert?
That pipe thing. It's called a culvert.
It makes me just want to jump in there hearing that.
I know, right?
Not that you really jump in there,
I'm
but
gonna
you know.
come around this way and look. Here's the visitor thing. It's not even open right now, though. It's crazy that we were just up there. Oh,
there's Clover. And Martha.
No, he didn't.
But obviously it wasn't a problem. It
I
never said
was
I may have more.
Thank you. I'm gonna have a couple Oreos with it too and dip them in it.
I have my soap.
You got long arms too, you know.
Oh yeah.
God.
Out.
Okay, so now you.
Oh, rogue. Cat that knocked my mask off the counter so she could lay down. Yeah, at least I finally got out of freaking phase 3. I've been stuck on it forever.
Well, I'm gonna say she was a
Oh, I have one card. Sorry, I forgot that rule.
One card.
Forgot that new.
I've got 2.
Oh, shoot.
You can't do it.
8, 9, 10, 11. Yep. And then,
I have 3 to 8 and 12.
I have 7 to 10 and 1.
oh, that's too bad. 2, 1, and 4. Come on, every time
Darn.
I'm so
Noses.
Oh my God.
What?
Oh my gosh, Mom.
Oh.
She already laid down. Oh my gosh, I don't need that. I thought it was better than nothing. I would rather have nothing. Oh my gosh. Heather, you're so kind to me. You're so kind. Okay, so, dang it. I have 3 12s. And then 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yay!
You're grounded from this phone.
Now, do you have any?
Stop giving me all your 12s. This is terrible. Okay, pig.
And then throw a card away.
Skip Pappy.
She's still one.
How you Excuse me.
And say one.
I'm sorry. I apologize.
And say one card if you have one card.
You know.
Oh,
What are you skipping me for? I haven't laid down. Skip.
One card. Already is.
I'm gonna skip Rose to get rid of my skip card.
Oh, see how it goes, Rose? See?
Debbie.
Does your pappy ever skip? Oh, yeah, I did that one.
Yeah, exactly.
And not only did he skip, but he
Last
said,
night.
"Everybody skip Rose."
yeah. That's what I missed it.
Give me the 10. Give me the 10. Give me the 10. Give me the 10.
Really? That's your oh, come on.
No! I was so close.
Earth below us, space 10 before us.
Yeah,
Okay, I
really.
don't know the answer to that.
Yeah, could you?
11.
You skip me and now you want to drink?
11.
That's like a beer.
Alrighty, let's do this. Alright,
my
4.
favorite cup.
Hey guys, guess what?
Oh, no.
My God. 1 to 8.
Who dealt this?
Okay, 1 to 8. Discarding a 4.
7, 8.
Rogue.
You're
Oh.
not helping you.
Watch her knock my mask off again.
Finally on 7.
Oh my god. Ivy is 53.
Oh my gosh! What is with you knocking my mask off the thing?